Welcome back. I am going to show you this look right here. It's futuristic, cyberpunky, cybergothy. As y'all can see, I kind of got that Dwayne The Rock, Dwayne. You know, if I do the good. Let me stop all this lolly gagging. And let's get into this look, bitch. So for this one, I'm gonna be a bit excited because, like, I have new products and I want to try them out. Fuck, wait, shit, fuck. So since this is a cyberpunky, like, really futuristic look, and my face is already prepped and primed, and all I'm gonna say is I'm gonna put these contacts on. They're new. I wore them on 420. I'm just making the slight bit changes. I'm gonna put them in real quick. Alright, so you already know the deal. I'm just gonna put concealer on. I got my wisdom teeth out recently, so I'm gonna be careful on the fucking... They're not really swollen anymore, but I'm still trying to be careful, if that makes sense. Like around that area, I have to be soft. See, I'm being gentle as fuck around my jaw area. I ain't trying to disturb that hoe. I was originally gonna do this look for 420, but I'm doing this like 2 days after it, so like I didn't want it to be old or whatever. So I mean, it's still green, still in the spirit, but fuck it, we on that cyberpunk neon shit. So I'm just baking right now. I'm gonna do, they're not eyebrows, but I consider them to be eyebrows. So that's what I'm gonna do while this is baking. I typically just use like a pointed, small, little detail brush. Nah. The fuck is this called? Like a blending small brush? I don't fucking know at this point. So I'm just gonna do that on both sides. What the fuck was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna powder the rest of the face. Alright, so now that I'm done powdering, what's it called? I'm gonna go with this little eyeliner and add 2 dots on the top and bottom of these said eyebrows. I try to get really posted up for this because, you know, you gotta get those dots really equal. Alright, now before we get to the fun stuff, I'ma first lay down my contour and then I'ma highlight. So I'm just using that same gray contour that I use most of the time, not when I want to get a bronze look. Under the chin, cheekbone. I don't really go on the forehead because you can't really see it anyways, sorta. I ain't trying to expose my big ass forehead. Water. It's that season again. We're frisky. I was gonna say crispy and frisk water at the same time. Sorry about that. What's it called? I did my nose off camera, can you tell? And then to the next part, I'm actually, honestly, I'm like excited to do it because I'm gonna take a pigment, a loose pigment from Apocalyptic Beauty, and I'm gonna take a mixing medium to make it into an eyeliner. I've actually never done this before and I'm actually super fucking excited. I don't know how to do this, but I will attempt at making it happen. It's this color. It's like an acid green. It's actually called acid, I don't know, but it's a good color. I'm using this liner brush to mix the mixing medium and the pigment at the same time to make an eyeliner. And it's my first time, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Alright, so I finished mixing the pigment with the thing, and hopefully that's enough eyeliner. Alright, let's see how this performs. Alright, so I'm going to do this very angled winged liner type of look, and I'm going to start from here and move my way up. I really hope this is enough, and I'm gonna just have it with me right here to be convenient. So I'm gonna go over that again. I need to make more. Alright, so I made more, and I really hope that's enough. If not, I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Now I'm just gonna connect it from here all the way up. I'm not sure if I did this right, because can y'all see there's like a bit chunky, like it's a bit chunky of like the pigment and shit. I don't know if it's because I mixed it wrong or something. Alright, so I'm doing this shape, as you can tell. And now I'm gonna do a smaller one on the top. I'm not gonna connect it to anything. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Starting from here, I'm shaking. Now I'm gonna need to go over that again, cause bitch, what the fuck? I switched this liner brush cause the other one was being a fucking bitch. There, now it's more sharp. See that? See that? Now I'm gonna do one going up from here. I'm not connecting it to anything either. Ooh, y'all see that? I know y'all do. Look at that. I'm honestly fucking with it. So I'm gonna move on to the next side. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. This brush really does help. Like, the other one was fucking me up. Turns out this was enough. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. That thing, but on this one. As precise as I can. So I'm just finishing it up. I am doing the same line that I did on the other side. I cannot contain my excitement. Alright, so just for fun, I'm gonna add a little purple in it because I'm really excited to like try this like mixing solution shit to make whatever eyeliner I want. So I'm going in with the same wiped off liner brush, and I'm gonna go in. So I'm gonna do this but on the bottom. That looks pretty good. Okay. So I just finished that side. I'm gonna move on to this side, doing the exact same thing. They're not even, but fuck it. This one has more space and this one has that one like close up. But I don't secretly give a fuck. So I thought of this halfway through that I might add purple on the inside of said areas like this right here and like on the top. Maybe just in here, but let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna go on the inside of that. I just added the purple on the other eye, and the thing I added was the thing on top, so I'm gonna just go over that again for you. Guess that's it. I guess that's it. So that is the eyes almost done. Now what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of eyeshadow down here just to make it fade out, and I'm gonna use this with Sephora Pro Tapered Crease Brush. Okay, but what I'm doing is I'm going under here with the same thing that I mixed in here, and I'm going to diffuse that. I did that on both eyes. I'm just gonna strengthen it. Oh, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna add that underneath my nose. That look good, right? I hope. Please tell me. So now I'm gonna put on some lashes, and I didn't forget this time. I'm going to curl my lashes. Banana time. Sure. Come at me, bitch. It's 2020. Sorry. I'm gonna put lashes on now since I finished my mascara. Okay, I just put glue on my lashes, and I'm about to pop these bitches on. Whoa. Oh, it's recording. Oh shit. What's next? Can you tell me what's next? Just kidding. Fuck that. I think it's lipstick. Next, what I'm gonna do is line my lips with some black eyeshadow. Back in with my one and only. Now the lips are done. What I'm gonna do is go back in with a little bit of mascara. And to the other one. Now I'm gonna show you my earrings. They're these little bitches. I'm gonna put them on so like I can show you like my accessories. Things are fucking hard because they're so little. So I'm just trying to find the hole. Got it. And that's that hoe. Alright, so now that I have everything done, I'm gonna do my hair, and what I plan to do is a ponytail. Cause like I said, I am recreating this from what I did on 420. And yeah, that's it, I guess. So like what I'm gonna do is just do normal ponytail. I'm just working my way up. I'm gonna get a brush. So this is one liga in, but no. We're making this like, you know, that type of ponytail. So I'm gonna add 4 more to make it, you know, really like stand up tall. So I'm just gonna layer this one on top of the other one. And I'm gonna do it as tight as possible. Gotta get that JoJo Siwa ponytail. Kinda sucks when you have long hair because, like, you have to take your time pulling it out. Like, come on, bro, get over it. Alright, so that's 2 in. Now for the other one. And 1 more big boy. I'm surprised how I'm not bald yet. I be pulling my hair so much sometimes. Okay. I'm going to be straightening my bangs now so they can be even. Alright, now I'm gonna start from the middle and go all the way out to the edges. And then I'll even that out. I'm codifying my bangs. For all you cuz out there, this is how you properly do it. If you don't got a straightener, your mama gave. Trust the process! It looks kind of weird right now, but I'm gonna clip all of this side down and that side down, and then I just did this to even it out so it can cool down that way. Now I'm gonna clip the sides down just because I don't really like them that much. I'm gonna even it out just so it doesn't look like I have a bowl head, you get me? I'm looking in the mirror and actually this look is pretty good. Okay, but anyways, this is the completed look. Now I'm gonna just like switch into an outfit, and what I'm gonna wear is a black turtleneck. I'm gonna accessorize and I'm gonna put some trip pants on. I found them at a thrift store actually. This is the completed look. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you because I tried my hardest and I actually did have a lot of fun doing this look. I tried a lot of new things, and on 420 as well, I had these new glasses that I got. They're really like futuristic. They look really cool. What's it called? I'm about to put them on. I can see your future, bitch. I'm gonna get into full gear right now, then I'm gonna do a lookbook. And if you like this look, let me know. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.